hadu saufusan ngut ki MP jong Rajya Sabha kina Shah Sospon no nakajing shong dorbar mentakasi ka khapraterik undo pra arajar pulai nakini ki saufusan ngut lai fusan ngut ki di ke Shah Sospon nakam takajing shong dorbar ka berangsa jokani ka dorbar tlang ka pamenta khalbingot pai ki Shah Sospon tak adu menayo ya ka report nak privilege committee yakani la pendep do shong kono joka Rajya Sabha hadin balawan ra ya commotion da unung ilam joka yung dorbar upish koyal pan pentip yakini baro la suspend di namar bekla pentut parat ya kajing shong dorbar da kajing hala kajing karkat ke jongki kan adu barhaban pensangi adu asin ya kajing shong dorbar joka Rajya Sabha am shimnala masyim yakini ni ki kamru namta banyakan han ke yung dorbar
and the house has been reduced to just being a shouting brigade. I have taken note with deep anguish, people getting into the well, showing placards, coming up to this level. This is unbecoming conduct. I appeal to you to please take your seats. Please, first take your seats. Please take your seats. Please take your seats. Honorable members, I will be forced. Don't force my hands. No. How can I, one second. Please take your, how can I lend my ears to leader of the opposition who has written me 2 letters that he will not see me in the chamber? It has never happened in parliamentary democracy. You don't believe in dialogue, don't believe in discussion, don't believe in deliberation, don't believe in debate. You believe in disruption, you believe in disturbance. This cannot be allowed. No, honorable members, is this the conduct we have to display? We can't be doing this. Miss, what example are we setting? What example are we setting?
Napeng kini ki Shah Sospon ki Kynthup ru ye kinung yalam ke bah mahkamah jaga Seng Kongres kumu Jairam Ramesh Randip Surjiwala Kesi Venugopal bat kiwi kiwi.
The well of the house had to be adjourned twice. Thereby the agenda by the house could not be taken up. Honorable members may appreciate that 0-hour submissions and question hour belong to them to raise matters of public importance and hold government accountable. Despite my repeated requests, some honorable members continued their act of willful defiance of the directives of the chair and violation of the rules of house due to their ignoble and grossly disorderly conduct.
Because they are disturbing, I will not be able to speak from my seat, so I seek your permission to speak from here.
Please go ahead.
So, with your kind permission, I move the following motion, that this House, having taken a serious note of the misconduct of Shri Pramod Tiwari, Shri Jairam Ramesh, Dr. Amin Yagdik, Shri Narayan Bhai J. Ratwa, Shri Syed Nasir Hussain, Shri Anil Prasad Hegde, Srimati Vandana Chavan, Shri Ram Gopal Yadav, Shri Javed Ali Khan, Srimati Mahua Baji, Shri Jose K. Mani, Shri Ajit Kumar Bhuyan, who continuously shouted slogans and even entered the well of the House during the course of the day, thereby disrupting the proceedings of the House in gross violation of the rules of the House and utter disregard to the authority of the Chair, and having been named by the Chair, resolves that the above mentioned members be suspended from the service of the Council for the remainder of the 262nd session under Rule 256 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States.